Imagine a predator so stealthy, so agile, that it can disappear in the blink of an eye, only to reappear in a breathtaking display of athleticism. This is the world of the lynx, a master hunter with a secret weapon, the ability to leap 3 times its body length in a flash of fur and muscle. Picture this, a snowshoe hare, oblivious to the danger lurking nearby, nibbling on tender shoots. Suddenly a blur of movement explodes from the undergrowth. The lynx, a symphony of power and grace, launches itself through the air, teeth bared, claws extended. This incredible leaping ability is just one of the many tools in the lynx's hunting arsenal, a testament to its evolution as a top predator in some of the world's harshest environments. The lynx, a creature often shrouded in mystery, is a testament to the wonders of the natural world. It is a reminder that even in the most unforgiving landscapes, life finds a way to thrive, often in the most unexpected and awe-inspiring ways. Join us as we delve into the secret world of the lynx, uncovering the techniques that make it one of nature's most stealthy and successful hunters. The lynx's ability to seemingly defy gravity is not merely a spectacle, it is a matter of survival. In the unforgiving wilderness where food can be scarce and competition fierce, the lynx has honed its hunting skills to a fine art, relying on a combination of stealth, cunning, and raw power. Its survival depends on its ability to outmaneuver and outsmart its prey, and the spectacular leap is a testament to the relentless pressures of natural selection. The lynx, a medium-sized wildcat, is a creature of captivating beauty and enigmatic nature. Often referred to as the phantom of the forest, it moves with an almost ethereal grace, its presence more often felt than seen. Its distinctive features, from the tufted ears to the bobbed tail, are perfectly adapted to its environment, allowing it to blend seamlessly into the shadows. Its thick fur, marked with dark spots and stripes, provides excellent camouflage, allowing it to disappear against the backdrop of snow, rocks, and vegetation. This camouflage is crucial for its hunting strategy, enabling it to stalk its prey undetected, a ghost in the wilderness. Its large paws, feathered with fur during the winter months, act as natural snowshoes, distributing its weight evenly and allowing it to move silently across deep snowdrifts. The lynx's piercing gaze, often described as intense and intelligent, is another key to its hunting prowess. Its eyes, positioned at the front of its head, provide exceptional binocular vision, allowing it to accurately judge distances, a crucial skill for an ambush predator. This remarkable vision, coupled with its keen sense of hearing, makes the lynx a formidable hunter, capable of detecting the slightest movement or sound in its surroundings. Despite its prowess as a hunter, the lynx, like many creatures in the wild, faces an increasing number of challenges in a rapidly changing world. Habitat loss, driven by deforestation and human encroachment, is shrinking the lynx's hunting grounds, forcing it into closer proximity with humans and increasing competition for resources. Climate change also casts a long shadow over the lynx's future. As temperatures rise and snow patterns become more unpredictable, the lynx's primary prey, the snowshoe hare, is experiencing population declines, creating a ripple effect through the food chain. The delicate balance of the ecosystem is being disrupted, and the lynx, despite its adaptability, is facing an uncertain future. Competition from other predators, such as wolves and coyotes, adds another layer of complexity to the lynx's struggle for survival. These interactions, often fierce and unforgiving, highlight the delicate balance of predator-prey relationships and the interconnectedness of life in the wild. The lynx's world is a constant battle for survival, a testament to the resilience of nature in the face of adversity. The lynx's hunting success lies in its mastery of stealth and precision, honed over millennia of evolution. Its exceptional hearing is one of its most valuable assets. With ears tipped with long black tufts of fur, the lynx can detect the faintest rustle of leaves or the squeak of a vole's footsteps from an astonishing distance. This acute hearing, combined with its keen eyesight, allows the lynx to pinpoint the exact location of its prey, even in dense undergrowth or under a blanket of snow. Once it has located its target, the lynx relies on its incredible patience and stealth to approach undetected. It moves with deliberate slowness, each step carefully placed to avoid making a sound. Its camouflage plays a crucial role in this stealthy approach. The lynx's spotted and striped coat blends seamlessly with the dappled sunlight and shadows of the forest floor, making it practically invisible to its unsuspecting prey. the lynx becomes a phantom, melting into the background as it closes in on its target, a testament to the power of natural selection in shaping a perfect predator. The tension builds as the lynx, belly close to the ground, inches closer to its unsuspecting prey. A snowshoe hare, unaware of the danger lurking nearby, continues to nibble on a twig, its nose twitching. The lynx tenses its muscles, its powerful hind legs coiled like springs, ready to unleash an explosion of speed and agility. In a flash of movement, the lynx launches itself forward, its body a blur of spotted fur and raw power. The hare, startled by the sudden movement, attempts to flee, but it is too late. The lynx's leap is a masterpiece of precision and timing, its body arcing through the air, claws extended, teeth bared. The impact is swift and decisive. The lynx's claws make contact, sinking into the hare's fur, its jaws clamping down with bone-crushing force. The struggle is brief. The hare doesn't stand a chance against the lynx's raw power and predatory instincts. The dance of death, a brutal yet essential part of the natural world, is complete. The lynx, far from being just a skilled predator, plays a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of the ecosystem. As a keystone species, its presence or absence has a ripple effect throughout the food web. By controlling populations of prey animals such as snowshoe hares, the lynx helps to prevent overgrazing and ensures the health of plant communities. This intricate web of life highlights the interconnectedness of all living things, from the smallest plant to the top predators. The lynx's hunting activities, while seemingly brutal, are essential for maintaining biodiversity and the overall health of the forest ecosystem. Their presence, or lack thereof, can be a key indicator of the health of an ecosystem. A decline in lynx populations can signal broader environmental problems, such as habitat loss or prey scarcity, serving as a warning sign that requires attention and conservation efforts. The world of the lynx, with its stealth, agility, and vital role in the ecosystem, is just one example of the wonders that the natural world holds. From the depths of the oceans to the highest mountain peaks, life thrives in a dazzling array of forms, each with its own unique story to tell. What are your favorite wild animals, and what fascinates you about them? Share your thoughts and stories in the comments below. Let's celebrate the diversity of life on Earth and work together to protect these magnificent creatures for generations to come. For more incredible stories about the natural world, subscribe to my channel and we'll continue the adventure together. Thanks for watching.